on your desk. So I want you to show me heads together and share with your group two things that are alike in old Bernie and Bernie today.
This is cooperative learning, where students figuratively and literally put their heads together.
It helps them to learn to listen to each other. It helps them to learn to agree or disagree in a polite and positive way. Got them down? Did you come up with some other ideas?
Max Stumberg is a teacher who focuses on the positive.
Oh, we hadn't even talked about that one. Excellent.
Yeah, we can.
If it's worth learning.
It's worth
Celebrating. Good idea. Your brains are working. Good job. I want the kids to know that no matter how big or small, whatever they have learned, they need to celebrate it. Because I don't want learning to be a chore. I want it to be a joy. And I love putting the joy of learning back into my classroom. Do you think they had to practice spelling?
Yes.
Think they had a spelling list?
This outstanding teacher came a little late to the classroom. She first spent years working in a post office.
I chose to become a teacher when I was 31. I looked at my gifts and my talents, and they were working with children, teaching children, loving children.
Her students agree.
She's fun and she does lots of neat stuff. She's great, kind.
And some students even use stronger language.
It wasn't that good last year, but this year it's going pretty dang well.
How does that compare to Bernie now?
Part of the reason it's going so dang well is this teacher rejoices with her students.
She teaches us the Snoopy dance.
And the Snoopy dance comes throughout the day, throughout the year, whenever, just when we're celebrating that we've worked really hard or we've really learned something, or wow, you know, we finished that unit and let's just get up and celebrate. And so I'm hoping when they walk out of here at the end of school that they keep that with them, that joy of learning, that it's going to go on and on and on, and just to celebrate it. Very good. You've got a good list.